Guys, welcome back. I'm in Sarasota today and checking out some new construction, so stay tuned for the full video. Alright guys, let me walk you through this home and let's start in the kitchen. So I want to point out the two-tone cabinets, how they designed it. It's really beautiful. You have the really modern, sleek white cabinets with the glass doors below. Then you have the dark lowers. You have a traditional backsplash and quartz countertops, and this kind of ties it all together. Just off the kitchen, we have the laundry room, which comes with upper cabinets. It has a laundry sink that's sitting inside a cabinet, which I like, and it comes finished off with quartz countertops. This is your space for your washer and dryer. And the door ahead of us is the door to the garage, and over here we have a storage room. In case you have noticed it, I want to point out these beautiful concrete flooring, which is very unique. You don't see those too often down here in Florida. Lots of natural light. You have a 12-foot slider, and let's go take a look outside. You have a pool that comes with safety fencing, which is a requirement in Florida. Then you have lots of yard space. So if you want to do something else out here, you absolutely could. Alright, let's go back inside and upstairs. On the upper level, you see we have these beautiful iron rod railings. And then we walk into this open space up here, which I think it could function as a loft area. You can certainly put a desk here or a TV and couch. Then we walk into the first bedroom, which this bedroom does have its own bathroom and a really spacious closet. And here I just want to point out this open space again and those beautiful railings. But to the left of this first bedroom, we have the master suite. I think I love the master bathroom the most. It has the two separate vanities, which I like. You have a freestanding tub. You have marble looking tiles surrounding the tub that carries into the shower. And then you have this really nice shower niche for all your shampoo bottles. And across the hallway we have two additional bedrooms and a shared bathroom. So this first room actually have double doors, and I wanted to point out these amazing doors with the 6 panels, which look really amazing. And this whole bathroom does come with 2 vanities. It has the shower tub combination, and I finished the shower off with the classic subway tile. Here we have the last bedroom with, again, lots of windows for natural light. The closet comes with sliders, which I like because it doesn't impede into the room space. And this, my dears, concludes the tour. If you like this video, please be sure to like it and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye-bye.